best thing about when I hold on to this deck is that I immediately start to drop into my body where I knew I needed to reset my nervous system, and this is how I chose to do it. So, let's see. I'm not the only one feeling this, and one jumped out right on the floor. Whew. Secret song. Voice, spirit, lineage. Which is quite fitting, as I have been working with a council of ancestors, not just my own, but around the world. And so this card is a way of using your voice, of feeling into what that lineage is through sound. So just starting, connecting the breath, and you can start to connect to your ancestors. And as you breathe, allow whatever tones want to come through, come through. Maybe you connect to more of a rhythm. Whatever it is that you connect to, feel into it, let it come through. There are so many gifts that we get from our lineage. And song, music was a way to clear energy, to move energy, that sound, that vibration that clears, moves, unlocks stagnant energy in the body and helps to rid the body of it. That's why sound healings are so effective. And it may be a good idea right now. I wish I was closer. I'd go grab my bowl. And if you have a drum, have a bowl, feel free to play with it. Let it come through your heart. That each breath, each beat is a connection back to the love they give. So, that's a lot of energy. Sorry, it's like streaming in through the crown of my head really fast. Um, take what resonates with you, leave the rest. Try some toning, try some sounding. Allow that sacred song. Notice, is this a song that feels familiar? Is it something from your childhood? Is it something that just you know, but you don't know how you know it, kind of thing? And let it come through and let it resonate in the deepest parts of you. We have Venus conjunct Mercury retrograde today. And so Venus can create flow with that music and bring it through. And you've got Mercury there to help rework, revisit, revise, reinvent, I can't think of the word I can't find the word I'm looking for, which has been like the last, I don't even know, over a week now. But it comes to consciousness, and you get a chance to work with that energy, that lineage, that feeling in the body. So I hope this helps. I hope this blesses you. And I hope that you have an amazing rest of the night.